Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com, even though it says selfhelpforyou.com in the little listing underneath it. The link in the video description will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You're going to love this. It's $20, $19.99 for this guide called 24-Hour Maps Shortcut. And it shows you how to land $500 clients using Google Maps. So I thought this was going to be about how to get your own business listed on Google Maps. This is how to make tons of money consulting and helping out local businesses who want to be up on Google Maps to get Google traffic, to make money, to have traffic and sales and clicks and all that. And you want to do that for them as a local business consultant. This is the whole guide to do it from Paul James. So let's take a look inside because he's a great story here. You can see on the bottom here, it's $20, $19.99. I'm just going to show you the beginning part. So you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a blog post there. You'll see the lovely picture of the product, a bit of a description about how it works. He's got step-by-step videos to find local businesses that need help. And the cool thing is, you can just find this stuff. It's pretty easy to do searches for guys who aren't listed on Google Maps and that kind of thing. And then, so you're going to find these people quite easily. There's 5 proven pitches that are tested, optimized, and designed to close $500 deals. You're going to be a consultant to these guys. Deliver in minutes. And with the fast fulfillment checklist, users can fulfill the service in under 10 minutes. And they show a lot of happiness, a lot of excitement because they're getting listed on Google, they're getting traffic, they're getting clicks, they're getting people coming in the door. And what are they making? Money. And that's what it matters. If they're paying you X and they're making 2X, 3X, 4X, 5X, 10X, they're thrilled. So that's the whole thing is here. It's a system like that. Let's go inside over here. I'm looking, so anyhow, you click the link to come to my page, you click the product box at the top or the link at the bottom, and it'll take you right to this page that we're at here. I'm going to scream up. I'm sort of in the middle just to give you a pretty picture. And here's the story. He goes, so he's doing this for a lady named Sarah. Look at this. She goes, hey, she got no experience. So he goes out, he recorded a few videos, and this is the same thing he's going to do for you, by the way. So he records a few videos, explain the method in easy to understand terms, explain how to do all this without cold calling. You're just firing out some emails. And you're showing businesses what's wrong with their Maps listing and that it's costing them serious money in terms of lost traffic, sales, customers, money. So you're helping these businesses out. And he also showed you how you can do most of this via email, like I said, or social media. You don't even have to get on the phone. And so not just doing that, he gave her the top 5 pitches so she could just copy what he's doing and get paid this money, and then made her this fast fulfillment cheat sheet. So he's done that for her, and he's doing it for you. So she followed the steps, sent her first pitch, within 24 hours landed a $500 client. That's a pretty good deal. Bam. Then the business owner she helped send her this email thanking her, blah, 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 thanks a lot. And seeing that she's actually kept her going, right? People are happy. She ended up landing 6 clients, looks like about $3,800 there in her first week. And many of these clients are so happy. They want to work with her month after month. They decide to pay up front for a year. This is just a business thing because you're helping people get traffic, get business to their business. That's really what it's all about. So this whole concept is $20. I'm going to stop right there. He's given you everything he's given her. Click the link in the video description. Come to my site at marketingsharks.com. It's called 24-Hour Maps Shortcut. You're going to be able to help people in your town, your city, your place, no matter where you are, get listed on Google Maps. So if you're in Albuquerque and they're, I don't know, dentist, lawyer, bakery, car fix-it shop, they all need to be listed. They all want to get traffic. They all want people to find them, contact them, come in, spend money. Everybody wants that. So you're going to be able to provide that no matter where you are. And again, it's $19.99, $20. Click the link, go check it out. 24-Hour Map Shortcut, how to land $500 plus clients, not just one, but a series. This is an ongoing business opportunity using Google Maps. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is 24-Hour Map Shortcut. Click the link and go check it out. Enjoy.